President Yoweri Museveni has asked Uganda Petroleum Institute Kigumba to become a center of excellence at the international level. He says the purpose of constructing these facilities is to prepare the youth with relevant skills as the country plans to have its first oil by 2025.
So that's when I called the Minister Changomacho and the PSOPO and said, now you look for these Ugandans, young Ugandans, who have qualified in physics, in geology, in chemistry. They go and study petroleum. Let's now pioneer in the education here by having a world-class petroleum training center.
President Yoweri Museveni also asked the leadership of the institute to ensure that they work hard and move from level 2 to level 3 in terms of training.
You make the proper plan. I don't want to hear that we are now here at level 2. We hope to go to level 3. Go to level 3 now. Plan now. You tell me if other people are confused, me I'm not confused.
The Minister for Education and Sports, Janet Kataha Museveni, explains that such facilities will help the youth attain vocational skills and also be self-reliant.
These interventions are all in line with Uganda's aspirations as outlined in the third National Development Plan, where it is stated that a country that invests in its human capital secures its future. As a sector, we now see skills development positioned as a strong pillar in our national aspirations to unlock the productivity potential of our youth in this country.
The minister also called for proper management of the equipment that has been received.
I urge the Institute now, the management, to take care of these facilities in order for them to serve the current and future generations. Please utilize the facilities to ensure that learners are properly skilled in order to satisfy the demands of the working world.
Katie Lamaro, Education Ministry Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, says that this is a great milestone for the institution.
In addition, a number of other complementing facilities have been constructed, and these included a 1.2-kilometer road, a 4-floor multipurpose hall, a water supply and sanitation sewage treatment scheme, the main gate of the institute, street solar lights, paving of the parking yard and compound of the administration block, and a generator house with heavy voltage generator. The total cost of these investments was $15,575,312, which is equivalent to approximately Uganda shillings 57,332,256,213 shillings.
The Ministry of Education and Sports established the facilities with funding from the World Bank.